Let me tell you what keeps most small business owners stuck. It's not lack of money. It's not lack of ambition. It's the belief that getting a professional website and email means hiring someone, spending hundreds of dollars, and waiting weeks. I built something that changes that. Completely. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from nothing to a live.com website and a professional info at yourbusiness.com email in under 3 hours. No developer, no monthly subscriptions, and you only pay once. This is not just a ChatGPT prompt. This is a 3-prompt guided system with a complete PDF walkthrough. And the smartest part is the first prompt you open. You paste it into ChatGPT, and it acts like a project manager. It asks you, what's your business name? What industry? What pages do you need? Then it tracks your progress. It won't let you move forward until your website is live and your email is tested and working. It's like having a developer sitting next to you, checking every step. Once you answer the questions, it hands you the second prompt. That one generates your complete 5-page business website code. Homepage, services, about, contact, blog. All mobile ready, modern, and clean. You drop that file onto a free hosting service. Your site is live in minutes. Then the system gives you the third prompt. This one walks you through setting up a professional email address. info@yourbusinessname.com. For free. You follow the steps, test it, and when it works, you tell the first prompt, done. And that's it. Your .com website is live. Your professional email is active. The tracker prompt confirms everything is tested and complete. Inside the pack, you get all 3 prompts, plus a PDF guide that shows every single screen, every click, every step. You cannot get lost. This is what separates a random prompt from a real business setup system. Now, maybe you're thinking, I'm not technical. I can't do this. You can. Because the tracker prompt literally tells you what to do next, one step at a time. What if it doesn't work for my business type? It works for any small business. Cleaning services, bakeries, consultancies, yoga studios, real estate agents. You name it, the prompt adapts to it. What if I get stuck? The PDF guide has screenshots for every step. And if the system still doesn't work exactly as described, I'll refund you within 14 days. You risk nothing. Compare this to what you'd pay otherwise. A freelancer charges $500 minimum. Wix or Squarespace? $200 every single year. You don't own anything. This pack costs $49 once. And you own everything. You can keep putting off your online presence. Or you can spend the next 2 to 3 hours, follow a guided system, and finish with a live website and professional email. One payment. Lifetime access. No upsells. No subscriptions. The link is right below this video. Tap it now, grab the pack, open the first prompt, and let the system take you to the finish line. Your business deserves to be online. Tonight, click the link and start building.